interrimo addecare dorime.
How you feel now? How you feel?
Ameno.
You know they hear the other.
Latiremo.
Then get money.
Dorime.
They take them down. Port Harcourt workshop. Hey God. Then get money. We senior money with 2 years. Hey God. This country no fit frustrate us. When I know here, our president officially announced, say federal government no get work again. No president for the world don't announce, say they no get work again. No job. The only job we did na below job. No work. Problem dey this country. Una know here wetin happen for worry. Cultists enter bush, go do initiation. Herdsmen kill all of them. Problem, nothing when they happen for Nigeria. For Lagos, computer village, where did they sell phone? Police steal phone. Now they carry and go police station. They don't know how to judge the case. When they reach there, now they start to do investigation. They realize it's 90th generator with the devices. Nothing when they happen for our country. See this governor of which state? Yahaya Bello. He just come. With the problem, Nigerians now, Nigerians say they fear to talk for social media. Come find me for us. Like we know they fear anything again. The man just talk. Said Nigerians are telling me to run for president. And somebody reply, we actually tell you to run mad, sir. I mean, my ass come and beat me. Nigerians, nothing they fear us again. My brother, who is down fears no fall. Who you want threaten again? Country wait on the threatening person from 19 waiting. He call the teacher who they fear you. Who they fear Buhari? What did they help us for this country now? Now Snapchat. Nigerians are suffering. Now Snapchat now they help us edit our future. If they do mistake, ban Snapchat, you will see suffering. You gonna see suffering. At the time people say, for Bible, when Pharaoh, they frustrate God. You know, say Pharaoh frustrate God. The most stubborn person in the world. Pharaoh frustrated God. God give him first punishment, Second, third, kill this one, kill that one, Pharaoh said, now we get wickedness. He frustrated God, so take the 10th plague, where God started to kill how many? The first one, Abi. Now that Pharaoh comes, this one, it don't affect everybody one by one. Israelites, they go. If to say, after that 10th one, Pharaoh no let Israelite go, I swear, God go send Buhari to Pharaoh. Now you gonna tell Pharaoh, now you gonna sing crazy. Oh man, you see wickedness eyeball to eyeball. Why do they laugh? Hey God. Oh, this country don't round up. And they suggest, may they all say the country may ever they get a lot. I go off your day, you get 8 million. Then you're right under. Your, how do they put the English? Your what? Your share of the sales of Nigeria. That lot goes sweet too. Now you go to tell your friend, which country you want to go buy land? That one go say Cotonou go cheap, you go cheap. We'll go Cotonou. Our federal government go they borrow money from China. They don't borrow money, reach how many $1 trillion. They come they ask them, when are you looking at paying back? They say, Nigeria go pay in the next 30 years. That all of them don't die. You go all leave problem. The people that they leave problem for, those children that they primary for, they don't know. I don't understand this our country. How the country they work? If you travel abroad, when you travel abroad, you see the way system they work. When I go London, zebra crossing. I won't cross. Now stop. I say make them pass. Because for Nigeria, we they tell them pass. We'll go pass when we won't pass. Now they do them pass. Now when you man say, they ain't going nowhere if you ain't crossing. I say what? They ain't crossing if you ain't crossing. I said they ain't crossing if I ain't crossing. I did there 2 minutes, nobody cross. Now then they tell me go. I said go. They say go. I said see country. Now I enter Nigeria. This is what it is. Just do me say you put leg for that line. I enter Nigeria. As I just land back from Ikeja airport. Now I see zebra crossing. As I put leg like this. If you see speed with down foot, they take the go. Wah! Now I say, you know see this. He said Tom advert. Ni mark by what? It's zebra. Say you go kill me and the zebra. Say na Tom advert. Nothing they work for this country. Nothing work. Nothing work. Nothing they work for this country. Nigeria might be the only country where you go enter plane, they go tell you off your phone. You go tell them, I've put it on flight mode. Off. We know they trust anything. Off. Because we don't know where the thing they come from again. Now this one, you get what thing they shock me. You know, say big men, and they like big men the way their life day. You get the way you don't send big man text before. You explain all your life problem. The man reply, you send details. Or okay. Now you're going to tell your friend, let's send the verse. The man don't verse for me. Everything what I tell her about my mama with the hospital, you just tell me send details. He says send it, he not get time to talk too much. Send details, man, give you money. Now poor man they wait, me come they tell and say, hey yeah, hey, when did this start? When the poor, big man no get time for all those rubbish. Now for the country now, if you tell police, say armed robbers, they in an area, then they come home. Don't say for no day, this one no day. If you want me police come quick. For Lagos now, if armed robber they disturb us, we want me police come quick. We they tell them say protesters they disturb us. Yes. Once they just say people they protest, so they've been protesting, making noise. We've been telling them to leave. They are carrying placard up and down. Where are they? Me and my wife never did ask for 2 weeks now. We sleep for hotel. Now make us problem for Lucky. I call police. I say protesters are disturbing us. They say where? I say Salem bus stop. Okay, we are coming now. How many are there? I say like 30 or 40 carrying placard up and down that they Twitter this and that. We are coming. I see one court corner here. Tower. He said, who shot? I know if you tell us I'm robber now. I say, it's film, sir. He said, which film? I say, it's Rambo, sir. He said, Rambo of 1995. I say, yes, DSTV, they show him. He said, can you off that Rambo? Let's have focus. I say, okay, sir. He said, we are coming. Where exactly? I said, Salem bus stop. We are coming. Now the court call. When police don't hear protesters, now they start to the blue siren. You know, tonight they land our area. Bang! As they shoot gun. They realize they get one bullet way past their own. Where they mix inside their own bullet. I say, yeah, then they boom. Where they boom. Then they say, everybody stop. When I carry another gun, where no be our own. Now they say, okay, I be like, they hear one gun way past our own. Make when I stop to shoot. As they stop to shoot, now they hear boom. Boom. They say, now who that boy call? Now he said, Sergeant Okoro. What you tell you say that they disturb for the area? He said protesters. I bet if you call that idiot now. Now they call me for phone. Hello, guy. Hey, who you say they protest for the area? I say, I'm robbers. You say, I'm robbers. Protesting that word. Now I'm robbers didn't tell you. Hello, guy. Who is protesting? Be serious with me. I say, I'm robbers, sir. He said, my brother, you a Christian. Do you know with this behavior you cannot make heaven? Now we are asking you, how you gonna let elderly men come out now? Just married last year, my pikin are 2 months old now. Why are you like this now? Because you say you are watching Rambo now. They ask who they shot. Where do you live exactly now? I said number 3, he said, my brother, I swear, I will naked myself and swear here now. If I survive this night, you will die tomorrow morning. Do the last one, ma pizza. Ma do my popular demand. When I know my popular demand now, that currency joke, I always talk about a live experience. No, the Nigerian money, if you hold cash 100,000 before evening, if you don't get what you want to do it and go put them for bank, before evening go turn 2.5. You go just help people. You not go know what happen. Don't hold our cash, it's spiritual. They don't swear for the money for 1960. Put them for account. I'm serious, so try and tomorrow go withdraw 200,000 now. Whether you know go pay school fees up and down for this Nigeria. Now, I've been feeling that Nigerian currency is so underrated and all that. Not only our currency they suffer. You get one currency I discovered last year, January. Uzbekistan sum. The name of the country is Uzbekistan. That's when they sent me a message for Instagram. We want you to MC our program in Sheraton. I said, okay, I'm coming. They say, okay, once we enter Lagos, we'll meet you. The program is the same day. You know, we discuss amount. They tell me to say, we need to change so that we discuss in Naira. I say, what do you want to do now? He said, where's your Burundi change? I said, how much do you want to change? They say, we are here with 600 billion Uzbekistan sum. I said, yes, 600 billion on my ear, come on smoke. I tell them, I say, can you pay me your currency? I know one more. I know what made the change that to night. I can't get sense. Now they say, let me discuss with my God. Then come back. They say, please, can you take 6 billion? That's how we do it. I go toilet, go to tell God. God, thank you. I call my mama, and tell my sister where they work for UBA, made them resign, made them come Lagos. So I won't buy house for them for near Banana Island. I know say from that 6 billion when I change them. When I finish, they give me money for Ghana must go. The money was too heavy. Somebody follow me, carry and go boot. I give them 10,000 from Nigeria money. The boy say, my brother, God will bless you. As I won't go, somebody they look me for gate. Now I go back, so I need security. They say one police and 20,000, so I need 2. I gave their 2 40,000. How much I don't spend? 50,000. When I reach where they change money, Aboki see me with Ghana must go. Aboki carry me and give me chicken and chips and juice. I say this man knows my worth. He knows the value of hard currency. I never knew the currency is going through hard times. When I told the man I am here with 6 billion Uzbekistan sum, Aboki said, "Okay, well, if you don't tell me for our side, your money now 14.5." I said, 14 what, sir? Like 14.5 billion. He said, 14,500. I said, you are mad. Open the door. I go another shop. They tell me 12.2. I say, blessed, these people, they don't understand me. I go another shop again. They tell me 8.5. I said, which kind of people be this? That kind of money, if you can't go as now, hypertension will kill you. And they find out to share them for Lagos. Small of us feed the problem. As I go as now, police stop me for a park. You get what you go tell police, the office say one share money. As I say, park, now wind down. How many of you are on duty? As police here, try and tomorrow, you tell police how many of you are on duty. Okay, we are 4. They run the calculate already for you. That question they related to money. I don't know why. As I ask how many of you are on duty, they say we are 4. Now I open the boot of doom. I bring out 1.5 billion, give their 4. I say share. The police start to shoot gun. Tower. Oh Ghana man, you be a tower. Okada the enter gutter. Keke the enter gutter. I say people who have accident. They say, oh God, will you deserve it? I tell them, say, you've touched me. Where's your DPO? They say, the officer. I say, call DPO. DPO come out without shoe. They know they tell DPO the money name, not the billion. DPO come out without shoe, lie down. I say, stand up. I give DPO 1.5 billion. DPO give me goma, protect myself. I tell DPO, you have touched my heart. Where is IG? They say IG there, but I say, call IG. Then call IG. IG say, good afternoon, sir. I say, IG, I'm sending some money to you through DHL, 2.5 billion. IG say, I'm coming to Lagos to pick it by myself. If you're there, Abuja, collect problem. IG come Lagos, collect money, all of them pack themselves, go change money. I sleep, wake up, 675 missed call from DPO. Then call me and no pick. Then sentence, please pick. And no pick. Then sentence, we know you are there. Pick. And no pick. Then sentence, if you fear God, pick. I know say na the highest. When you pick all of that, let's say wake up from sleep. Now pick up. Hello. They say, okay, now we are the police where you give money where we don't understand though. I said, please, can I call you back? I'm busy. Okay, you not feel busy. DPO they sell. DPO they sell. IG lock am. The money where you give IG now 254. Come pay DPO. I love him.